Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions.
If you like this content, please make sure to check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're like me, you love filling up your birdhouses with seeds and watching as the birds flock to it. Unfortunately, birds aren't the only ones who love it. Squirrels do too, and they don't leave until there is nothing left. If you're tired of them ruining your bird watching, we have 5 easy ways of keeping those birds out humanely. Number 1, invest in a squirrel-proof feeder. Look for ones with weight-sensitive perches that close access when a squirrel lands. Some even have spinning mechanisms that gently toss squirrels off. No harm done, just a free ride. Number 2, squirrels are clever, agile, and persistent. They can jump up to 10 feet and chew through plastic like it's candy. But don't worry. With the right setup, you can outsmart them. Feeder placement matters. Hang feeders at least 5 feet off the ground and 10 feet away from anything squirrels can jump from, like trees, decks, or fences. Number 3, baffles and domes. Install a baffle on a pole-mounted feeder. These dome-shaped or cone-shaped guards block squirrels from climbing up poles or down from above. Think of it like a squirrel slip and slide. Number 4, hot seeds. Here's a quick fun fact. Unlike humans, birds don't feel the pain of hot, spicy seeds. Why? Because they lack a type of receptor called TRPV1 that sends a pain signal to the brain when they eat spicy foods, so they don't feel the burn. On the other hand, squirrels have these receptors and feel the pain and do not like spicy seeds. You can buy spicy birdseed in a sweat or seed, or if you are budget conscious, you can make your own. If you choose this do-it-yourself homemade recipe, please note, if kept outside in a garage, it will have a shelf life of about 1 to 2 weeks. Kept in a refrigerator will last about 2 to 3 weeks. What you'll need for your do-it-yourself hot pepper birdseed blend, your choice of birdseed, sunflower, millet, safflower, etc., cayenne pepper, or red pepper flakes. Even chili powder will work. Vegetable oil or canola oil to help the cayenne stick to the seeds. Instructions. Pour about 1 pound of birdseed into a large bowl. Lightly mist or mix with 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil, just enough to help the spice stick. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, chili powder, or crushed red pepper. Mix well until the seeds are evenly coated. Store in an airtight container and use in your feeder as normal. Important tips. Wear gloves when mixing to avoid skin, eye irritation. Keep the mix away from your face while stirring. Do not overdo the oil. Too much can make the seeds go rancid or clog some feeders. Wash your hands thoroughly before touching your face or eyes. Number 5, squirrel feeding station. Watching squirrels can be fun too. You just don't want them eating all your birdseed. So why not set up a separate squirrel feeding station away from your bird feeder? Let's face it, sometimes that's all it takes to keep the peace. Please note, all mentioned products are listed below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.